Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Norma and today I'm just going to be doing a painting demo. The colors I'm going to use is Ranger and Eggplant. I'm going to use Ranger Rose Gold, Piñata Shadow Gray, and I may throw in some Copic N10 Neutral Gray. The alcohol ink I'm using, or the alcohol, excuse me, that I'm using is 91%. And let's get started. So first I think we'll start off with the eggplant. And one thing you'll notice about the rose gold is it kind of floats on top. So you can see when I mix it, it's still towards the top, so we'll put a little bit more alcohol on there. Kind of get like a crackle ice effect with it, which I really like. You can see the eggplant stains the yupo blue, so even though I wasn't painting with blue, it'll look like it. There's really no pattern or process you have to follow. I just like to put it down, move it around with some ink, see if I like it, change it up some. I do use a straw to blow it most of the time. I have a little blow dryer I bought for it, but I just don't like it as much. I feel that I have more control if I just use the straw. I'm just trying to wipe off a little bit that I got on there that I don't really want. I don't know if it'll come off. Sometimes it comes off better than other times. Also don't like that little line there. One thing I have learned that if you put the ink outside and then you blow it back into the yupo or the color, then it's going to give you a softer line versus that hard line. I did not put enough, so let's put a little bit more. So it just depends on what you're going for. And let's see here. I do turn it around quite a bit. I saw a suggestion to buy Lazy Susan and turn it on that, which I might try. I haven't yet, but it's definitely an option. You can also tilt the paper and kind of make it run down, which I think that'll look kind of pretty right there. And we need a little bit more gold. Let that one run too. And I think I'm just gonna leave that. I do have the problem of sometimes I'll just keep going and I'll look back at a video and I was like, man, I wish I would have stopped. So today I'm not gonna do too much because I don't wanna make that mistake. Just trying to get some of the blue over here. And you'll notice the blue doesn't necessarily go where it blows, but it's where it sits there. That's where it's gonna stain it. Couple little things of gray here. Put some more ink. We're gonna hold it down again, let some more little drizzles come. I'm not sure if that's showing in the camera. Hopefully so. I'm new at this videotaping. So I think that is pretty much it. I'm liking it. I may go back and like touch up a little bit here. Maybe put a few little dots in. Just a clean brush with some alcohol ink on it, and you can just dot it and it'll put the dots in there for you. I might do some of those. And you can see it just adds little dots. If I don't do them so close, of course, you'll be able to tell the dots more. Like I'll just do that and then leave it, then it's gonna show more of a dot. But sometimes I just like to move it around to get a little different texture. Now, if I was to do the dot in one of the heavier places or darker places, you'll see it's gonna take it off. Also, another thing I might do is put some here just to kind of fill that in where there was nothing. And I don't really like that. So yeah, I do not like that. That's one thing whenever you keep messing with them, if you're like me, sometimes you really just mess it up and then keep messing with it more and more. So I think I'm going to leave it. I'll put a picture so you can see the final product. And it does change a little bit as it dries, not a whole lot, but like you'll see over here how we got those interesting textures that went in. Okay, and we're gonna stop for now. Thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.